2008 Subaru Outback. What we got done on it? Factory converter, third converter. Then we have a FLOWMASTer HP2. Anyways, we'll get you guys the part number on it, and there'll be a link in the description for it, right there. Then we ran 2.5-inch pipe out the back and dumped it. He doesn't want to see it. There it is. It looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. That's his second Subi he brings to us. So we appreciate it, as always. He's a good friend of ours. There it is, right there. And there's the factory exhaust. It was a dual system, two mufflers and a resonator. We cut all that off and ran it single. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Outback FLOWMASTer HP2 and 2.5-inch pipe. Yeah, that's good. That sounds good. Here's sound decibels again. 96.6. Again. Again. Go ahead and back it up. There's everything we cut off. Less weight, more power. Subaru Outback 2008. Let you guys hear on the inside. Outback HP2 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. He's gonna put it in his sport shark mode, whatever he was talking about. Let you guys know.